Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear college students, hostel buddies, and campus content creators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. Let's be real, college life can get repetitive. Between back-to-back lectures and mounting assignments, the dream campus experience often feels more like a monotonous loop. You want to break the routine and create unforgettable memories, but the challenge is finding that sweet spot of having maximum fun without crossing the line. If you are looking for ways to spice up your campus days while staying out of trouble, you are in the right place. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you, a guidance of teasing a college, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the General section, scroll down and open Model Complaints under the Citizen category, and on that page, select Teasing and click on College, then you will see the post there. Now, this is not about being rude or disrespectful. It's about light-hearted fun, harmless creativity, and adding a little spark to your college life. Think of it like playful campus moments that make everyone smile, maybe laugh a little, and create stories you'll remember for years. First, start with something subtle like renaming a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you can access an open hotspot or create one, give it a funny name like Principal Surveillance Cam or Free Grades Here. Trust me, this creates instant curiosity. People start checking their phones, whispering, laughing. It becomes a small moment of excitement in the day. Next, try creative notice board ideas. Instead of regular boring announcements, you can put up something funny, but clearly not serious. For example, all students must report at 6 a.m. for compulsory bird counting. It sounds ridiculous, right? That's the point. Just make sure it's harmless and doesn't confuse anyone in a negative way. If even a teacher smiles at it, you've done it right. Then, you can experiment with role-play moments. Imagine dressing like a faculty member for a day, formal shirt, serious face, carrying a file, and walking into a classroom saying, "I'm from the inspection board." The reaction? Pure chaos, but in a funny way. Just remember, keep it short and light, don't interrupt actual classes too much. After that, get creative with posters. You can design fake student clubs like the Anti-Monday Alliance or Napping Society. Stick them around campus notice areas. Add a QR code that leads to a funny meme page. People scanning it and laughing, that's where the magic happens. Finally, take it online with campus memes. Start a meme page based on your college life. Talk about relatable things, canteen food struggles, attendance pressure, or that one classroom fan that never works. Keep it anonymous, fun, and respectful. This is one of the easiest ways to connect with a lot of students at once. One great thing is that it keeps things fresh and updated. Whether it's memes or small pranks, you can always come up with new ideas based on what's happening in your college right now. Another thing is simplicity. You don't need big planning or resources. Most of these ideas are easy to do, quick to execute, and can be enjoyed by many people at once. You can choose how much you want to do, what suits your personality, and what feels right in your environment. Keep it fun, not trouble, respect boundaries, avoid harm, and don't make anyone uncomfortable. College isn't just about marks, it's about memories, laughter, and small moments. A little creativity and humor can make you someone people remember for bringing life to campus. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the General section on the Youthbuddy website, scroll down and open Model Complaints under the Citizen category, and on that page, select Teasing and click on College, then you will see the post there. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.